morning, Skylifers. Welcome to the vlog. And
if you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, turn on your post notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section box below. You don't know if you're MelicaSkylife in the building. Yo! What a damn. So guys, this morning I'll be cooking for you guys, well, for myself. I love food, you know. It's actually 9:30 a.m. It's pretty early to be cooking this heavy, but from when I want the curry we eat. So this morning I'll be preparing curry mutton and white rice, one of my faves. Like, I really love it. On the stove, you guys might see some eggs and some sausage. Just at a moment, she like eat one sausage, but I like my sausage and slightly burned, fried, black sausage. Yeah, so what you just saw on the stove with it's mutton we're doing, right? So the mutton has been seasoned from last week. So you have a bit of ice in there. May I have it out from yesterday and it's still not out yet. So what I did, I put it on the stove, put some oil in the pot and turn on the stove very, very low. Put the mutton inside so that it can take its time and simmer down and yeah, melt out the ice. That way, when you simmer down in a pot, you get all that flavor. If you season your meat before, one thing that you would notice, if you like put it on with tartar out, once you cut the bag white, you know, you lose all the juice. The juice is where the seasoning in. You don't want to lose the juice there, the good juice that. So, alright, with this, put in a pot, make it go and simmer down. And then I'll prepare the egg and sausage, Cynthia, which is my mother. And then we're going to move on to the white rice. I'm not sure what I'm going to put on the side. Today I have breadfruit in there. Probably the fried breadfruit. So how you do your breadfruit? You cook it, you roast it first, and then you how you do the breadfruit is like you roast it first and then you cut it and then you fry it. A tad bit of salt, a babe, love that. Or I may do plantain on the side. We need to eat vegetable, so we'll decide what we use at the end, but you guys are going to see the presentation of the process and so on and so on and so. Yeah, but the gunga and rice and peas, gunga and rice, you know. You know, some still can't try gunga in a white rice. I don't know yet. I'll see. But I like my plain white rice with my curry. I love curry, bad. So if you guys are interested to see the end product of my curried mutton and the white rice, Jamaican style, please keep watching. So basically, I'm going to prepare a hot dog for myself. I'm not going to heat the hot dog in the microwave or anything. I'm just going to put it on the top of the pot and it's going to be warm and ready. So yeah. So this is my hot dog in my hot dog bread, my egg. This is scald egg. So you boil the egg, then you crack off the shell. I have ketchup on my hot dog and I'm going to add some mustard and some relish So that's a mustard. And then I am going to add my sweet relish. Sweet relish is it tastes good, and then if you try it, if you haven't tried it before, it brings out the flavor in the food. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt to my eggs, and then I'm going to devour it after. So I don't really like boiled hot dogs, but with the relish and the mustard, I'm not telling a lie, it tastes really, really good. And with the mustard, you don't necessarily need a lot, just a tad bit. So that's the first of them are there. Relish and mustard. Bad. Yes, ma'am. Mustard coming out one. Relish.
You can't put two of them together. You have to put some one side and put some on the other.
Then I'll put on two of them. Move from. No. Oh. Yeah, cook it.
Yeah, cooking don't smell bad. Okay,
So right now I'm good up seasoning them. You don't know me carrot, my onion, my scallion, and my thyme. Can't cook without thyme and my pepper. With the pepper, I cut the pepper and I put it in the pot directly with the seed and everything. So right now I add back some water to the pot because I'm not telling a lie. If you don't have good gas for your yard, mutton take long to cook. You start cooking the mutton like 9 o'clock and I finish like 12 o'clock. But that's how it goes. So right now I add my seasoning them. I'm not telling a lie, I love the color them and I love my seasoning, how it makes my pot smell. So this I go on simmer down now and cook because basically the mutton soon ready. But the color and the flavor that this mutton had, I'm telling you, everybody want to make taste, then lick in 10 finger. Yeah, tell you. So I'm gonna cook the rice off camera. I don't know if you cook rice already. Wash it, put your water in your pot, make it cook down, steam ready. We never done a side. Come be too hungry, I did ready for eat it. So the rice shelly and so, I drink a country style box drink, so I tell us the food is shot.